moon, spaceship obtained. What is it? Where?
Donna,
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
I just farted. But where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't know. For some odd reason. But let's see what's new. Oh, I don't have enough. This mannequin. And that.
Dude, let's kill the horse.
What?
I'm so tired, Finn.
That, the weasel. And you come back. Hardcore. What is this? This is a whole new one. UFO? What? UFO. I'm confused.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold one.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Very confused.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
The bunny! The bunny! I like the bunny! I haven't seen these ones. Oh, Nukshash. Overclock.
I'm wet. I'm cold. There's 104 days of summer vacation.
Overroid in Cypher Set. Pet Moon Pet. Oh my god. Pet Rock. Oh my god. An Otter Watch. Ugh.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Why is it using the same axolotl assets? What the heck, bro? Use something new. And then the racer sets.
I buy a box of Thin Mints?
Sure, I'll take 2 boxes.
How about 2 million?
No, 1 million.
Okay.
Wait, what? Oh, you're good.
I don't know anything related in this update about racers and stuff like that, but yeah, I don't know. Nothing new about that, but you know what we gotta do. We always gotta bring in the stuff. My God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Since I haven't made an Animal Company video in like a while. But yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna end it in here. I'm gonna cut this thing. Oh no, explode!